Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll walk you through how to hide gift cards for specific items using the PayRules app. Open the PayRules app. Click on Add a New Rule button. Now in the Condition section, click on the Add a Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, various conditions will show up. Here you can set the condition as per your need. For this video, we will select the Collections condition. Now select If Found and choose the collection for which you want to hide the gift card. For this example, we select If Found and choose the Bear collection. This means the gift card will be hidden only when a product from the Bear collection is present on the checkout page. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Gift Card. Finally, click on the Save button. Now let's test our rule. We already have a product game collection in the cart. As you can see, gift card visible on the checkout page. Now let's add the Bear product to the cart and go to the checkout page. As you can see, the gift card is gone. This means if any product from the Bear collection is in the checkout, then the customer will not be able to use the gift card. That's its simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!